Hey guys, it's Abby and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own DIY watercolor tin box for travels. First, you need a tin box and I just put half pans inside with a magnet bottom, so I put them all together and see how many can fit. And then I use some of my paints. I sort of figure out the colors that I need, especially when I do travel journaling. So these are essentially the basic colors. I try to align them by color scheme and by association so that when I put them on the pan, it's easier for me to figure out which color goes where. So after I've lined everything, I equally put the same amount on each pan. Please just make sure that you don't make a mess. It's quite messy actually, and have some tissue on hand while you're applying this. So for the first layer, I'm putting all warm colors. Reds, oranges, yellows, browns, and then for the bottom, I'm adding cool colors. So these are blues, teals, greens, mostly because I paint landscape, and I also made sure to have a gray color and a white color so that I can mix them evenly. So the next step is to basically test these out on your journals to see if you're happy with the color payoff and which ones you want to change eventually. And it's also great to have a swatch like this so that next time, every time you want to open your journal and see which colors come out with these types of output on paper, you'll be able to easily refer to it. So I always have a swatch page to make sure everything is good. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you make your own soon.